Nemo is mean too so much that, which means too something and so much something and by that. The word Nemo and the word the grammar of Nemo and Amali is quite similar meaning. So how to use the grammar of Nemo? When you use the grammar of Nemo, is you should use the verb or adverb or adjective. For the second, when you use the word Amali with noun, we should put not between the Amali and noun, as we just have learned the last one. So what you have to remember, you should remember that Nemo and Amali have the similar meaning, which means two, that or something, so much, that or something, that. And when you use this verb, adverb, and adjective, or when you use with noun, should put the note between Amali. Let's go to see some example. 最近あまりに暑すぎる。最近あまりに暑すぎる。which means it's too hot recently. It's too hot recently. 彼はあまりにも変わった。彼はあまりにも変わった。which means he changed a lot. He changed a lot. The next example, あまりにも天気が良い。あまりにも天気が良い。which means the weather is excellent. The weather is excellent. あなたは起きるのがあまりに遅すぎる。あなたは起きるのがあまりに遅すぎる。which means you wake up too late. You wake up too late. Or for in Japanese, you can say あなたは起きるのがあまりにも遅すぎる。If you put more, it means that it had the same meaning, such as you woke up too late. Or if you want to say, you can translate to be like, why you wake up too late? Why you wake up too late? It's very late. Something like this.